Hi, I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. Today I'm going to be showing you the Sprinter 29FK Campfire Edition. So tons of features on this guy and I'm really excited to show it all to you. So we'll get started here on the outside. You'll notice right away, nice full length power awning with the speakers built right in. So when that awning comes out, the speakers are going to project the sound down onto your campsite rather than shooting it over to the next campsite over. So my favorite feature on the Sprinter Campfires is the ground control automatic leveling. So just like you might see in a high-end fifth wheel, same kind of feature. So 4-point auto leveling, and it's actually synced up with your front tongue jack as well. So when you unhitch from your truck, let the automatic leveling do its thing, and then you're done camping and you hit retract, it'll actually return the power tongue jack to the same level that your truck was at, similar to how a fifth wheel would return the pin box to the same length as well. So a very cool feature. Okay. All the Sprinters are wide body construction, so 100-inch wide. Because of that, they have a wider frame on them, of course, so they can put bigger water tanks underneath. So all the Sprinters are packed with an 81-gallon freshwater tank as well. A couple other things, you'll see the aluminum steps on here. It's very nice, easy to set up and down as opposed to the steel ones. A little bit of outside storage they give you at the back there as well. Everything structural is backed by Keystone's 3-year limited warranty as well. So that's frame, outriggers, slide boxes, all that kind of stuff, walls, roof, floor, friction hinge door, and 30-inch wide entrance. Let's head inside and check it out. So very unique floor plan, front kitchen, okay? So first of all, you'll notice, obviously, front kitchen. It's got the nice window up at the front, so you can see, you know, if your sight's a bit wider, you'll have a bit of a view there. Tons of counter space, stainless steel sink, larger 22-inch oven, okay? 7 cubic foot fridge, so a little bit bigger than your standard fridge as well. Freestanding table and chairs option. Trifold sleeper sofa. There is an additional recliner as well, so you have a bit of a social kind of seating area. TV with Bluetooth sound bars, of course, standard in this guy. Okay, a little extra storage. Pantry in the kitchen as well. So down the hall, you have a nice big window. This is one of my favorite things. And this, of course, faces your campsite. Touchscreen remote, standard with all Sprinters. So this controls your slide outs, your power awning, your outside lights, and your automatic leveling. So if you're setting the trailer up alone, you know, before the rest of the family arrives, you can stand on the other side of the coach, watch your clearance, make sure your slide out's not going to hit a tree, things like that. You can also watch the unit level from a distance as well. Okay, so down the hall, first of all, check out the washer. So nice and big, huge radius glass shower, okay? Full vanity, tons of storage, you know, linens, whatever you wanted to use that for. Ensuite type idea into the master. So this one features a bedroom slide, full residential size queen bed. So if you have fitted sheets or you want to upgrade the mattress, that'll all fit here. Tons of storage, lots of drawers, closet, however you wanted to use it. Hookups up there as well for a TV if you wanted to add a TV to the master bedroom. And there is a ceiling fan in here as well, 12-volt fan. And then your main door back into your hallway. That's it for the Sprinter 29FK. I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. Until next time. Hi, this is Mike from Arcan. I'm just going to quickly talk to you about Keystone's new 3-year structural warranty. It's the best warranty in the industry. They just launched it this past fall. So I'm just going to do some quick outlines for you so you know exactly what's covered. First of all, you're going to see this sticker on any of the units that actually have it. There might be some older ones out there that don't quite have it yet, so always watch for that sticker. Now, 3-year structural warranty, what that entails is everything from your steel frame to your outriggers, which are your support beams for the floor, which you can see right here. Your slide out boxes, walls, roof, the laminated floors, all those types of things. Now they have that from everything from their big, heavy Springdales all the way down to their light Passport ROVs, single axle units, and everything above that as well. I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer, and this is Keystone's 3-year structural warranty. Thanks.